Hey guys, welcome back to your IT channel, your IT learning, where IT becomes easy. So if you're looking to level up your Scrum or Agile skills or want practical tips, every business analyst, Scrum Master, or product owner must know, you are in the right place. So today I will going to talk about another topic which is extensively asked on my YouTube channel is common mistakes when writing acceptance criteria. So if you're working as a product owner, business analyst, you will be writing user stories. And if you're writing user stories, you will be including acceptance criteria in that one. So today I will going to talk about what are the common mistakes which you should avoid when writing acceptance criteria. So let's get started. So mistake number one, when you're writing an acceptance criteria, being too vague or generic. So a bad example for that one will be the system should be easy to use. It doesn't tell the developers or anyone anything else. It just says it's very vague, it's a generic statement so that the system should be easy to use. So the good example for this one will be the system should allow users to complete a purchase within 3 clicks from the cart page. So make criteria measurable and specific. So this good example is making sure that the criteria is measurable and specific. Mistake number two, mixing multiple expectations in one statement. I always say is try to write your user story as small as possible because it's easily to achieve, easily to get it done. So never mix multiple things in a one user story. So the bad example here will be user should be able to register, receive email, and log in successfully. So basically it's asking three things over here. Good example will be user can register with valid details. System sends a verification email within 2 minutes. User can log in after verifying the account. So I will basically, if I'm a business analyst or product owner, I will create three user stories out of that one. So the user can register with valid details. The second one, system sends a verification email within 2 minutes. And the third one, user can log in after verifying the account. So each criteria should test one behavior. So it's easy to test, easy to for a developer to code. Mistake number three, using subjective terms. A bad example will be the page should load fast. How fast? So the good example will be the page should load within 2 seconds under normal network conditions. Avoid words like fast, easy, user friendly. Mistake number four, writing from a developer perspective. A bad example will be implement REST API endpoint for get user. A good example will be user can view their profile details after logging in. So what this basically good example is doing is focusing on user behavior, not technical implementation here. Mistake number five, forgetting negative scenarios. Users should be able to log in with correct credentials. A good example will be user cannot log in with invalid credentials. System displays an error message, incorrect username and password. So in this example, we are including both positive and negative test case over here. So to summarize, the tip is always write acceptance criteria as you are describing expected user. So whenever you're writing a user story, always put you yourself as a user. So when you're writing those user stories, the outcomes that can be tested. So as a user, expected user outcomes that can be tested, not how the system is built. So when you're writing the user story, always make sure that you're writing as an expected user, how he will see the system, how the system should behave when you are as a expected user. Thank you so much, guys. Please stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.